Wait, did Google just accidentally reveal their entire Pixel 10 lineup? Because what just happened is wild. We're talking every single device, from the standard Pixel 10 to the Pro XL and even the elusive Fold, spilled out in full-blown ads by Google themselves. And while most companies panic when their secrets leak, Google seems to be doing the exact opposite. And it's kind of genius. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into spicy tech drops like this one, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly chaos from the world of gadgets. So here's the deal. Google just pulled what feels like a leak before leakers move and showcase the full Pixel 10 family through official ads. Yeah, not rumors, not blurry renders. These are the real deal. But here's the twist. It's not just about hardware this time, it's about strategy. The Pixel 10 Pro got chunkier, the Pro XL gained weights, yep, battery gains. And there's a new Fold in the mix that disappeared again. We'll get to that mystery. But before that, can we talk about the color gray? Because Google isn't just releasing phones, they're releasing a mood. Moonstone Gray is now practically drenching the whole Pixel ecosystem. Phones, earbuds, even the Pixel Watch 4. It's clean, calm, kind of classy, and also kind of everywhere. Sure, it looks great, but where's the fun? Thankfully, there's also a lemon cello yellow in the mix, which might just be the wildcard color fans didn't see coming. Now, if you're thinking, okay, cool colors, but what about specs? Buckle up, the base Pixel 10 isn't so basic anymore. It's finally rocking a triple camera setup, 50 main, 48MP ultrawide, and 48MP telephoto. That's flagship territory. Add a 120 OLED display, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and Google's new custom-built Tensor G5 chip, and suddenly the standard Pixel feels anything but. And speaking of the Tensor G5, this is where it gets really interesting. It's reportedly Google's first fully in-house chip built on TSMC's Thurnm process. That puts it in the same league as Apple's A18 and Samsung's Exynos 2500. If this chip delivers on performance and AI integration, we could finally see Pixels stop lagging behind iPhones and Galaxies. This could be the power move Google's been building toward for years. But the real flagship firepower lies in the Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL. You're getting brighter LTPO OLED displays, thinner bezels up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, and even a 42MP selfie camera. Yep, that's front cam madness. And both models feature the triple rear camera combo with macro and periscope style zooms. The Pro XL especially 6.8 inches of screen, a massive 5200 mAh battery, and 39W fast charging feels like Google's most serious flagship. Oh, and pricing, surprisingly steady. No price hikes this year. The Pixel 10 starts at $799, Pro at $999, and Pro XL, you're $999. The Fold, still a wallet buster at $1,899, but honestly, we're just hoping it actually shows up this time. Because even though the earlier renders confirmed a Fold model in Moonstone Gray, it's missing from the current ad lineup. Could be a late arrival. Could be Google playing mind games. Now let's talk launch August 13, Android 16 out of the box. And with these devices already hitting ad slots, don't be shocked if the Pixel Watch 4 and Pixel Buds Pro 2 quietly drop alongside them. Speaking of which, those new buds come in a sterling color that, let's be honest, is just Moonstone in a different font. And if you're wondering whether any of this is worth upgrading for, well, if you're holding a Pixel 9, maybe not. But if your phone's a couple years old, or if you've never dipped your toes into Pixel territory, this might be the generation that finally nails the balance of performance, polish, and personality, assuming Google doesn't drop the ball on software again. But here's a fun question: are muted tones the future? Or are we just too afraid of bold colors now? Because unless you slap on a bright yellow case like I do, these premium phones are starting to all look like office furniture. Clean, yes, but safe. Anyway, more leaks are bound to surface before launch, and you know I'll be breaking them down the moment they hit. So tell me, Moonstone, love it or leave it? And which Pixel are you actually eyeing this year? Stay tuned. It's only going to get crazier from here.